GLP-1 and GIP, the biggest mistakes people make. Have you ever wondered why some people struggle on their GLP-1 and GIP journey? Have you ever thought about it? Sometimes it's not the therapies or the medication or the peptides that's the problem. No, it is the habits that go with it. Today we are going to talk about some of the biggest mistakes people make and how to avoid them. Hello and welcome back to this channel. My name is Twiki and I'm a double amputee and I need to look after my health and my weight. And on this channel we are learning about GLP-1 and GIP in a simple, practical way so that everyone can understand it. So by the way, that's for me, so that I can understand it. As always, remember, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a doctor. It is for educational purposes. Please consult your own healthcare provider regarding your own health needs. I cannot help you with that because I'm not a healthcare professional or a doctor. So let's get started. I'm so excited about this. Let's look at some of the biggest mistakes. Now, mistake number one, and this is a big one, not eating enough protein. Yes, because your appetite may decrease, it is easy to eat too little. It is easy. Now, protein helps support our muscles and our overall health. So try to include a good source of protein with your meals. I cannot stress this enough. It is very important. And on any diet, I will tell you, include a good source of protein. Mistake number two, oh my goodness, and I'm guilty of this one. Not drinking enough water. It's difficult in the winter for me to drink water. Now, many people simply forget to drink enough fluids. Staying hydrated might help you feel better and support your overall well-being. It's very important to drink enough water, even if you have to sip during the day. Now, mistake number three. Oh, and this is a no-no, skipping meals. Some people skip meals because they don't feel hungry. Don't do that. Your body still needs the nutrients. Eating small balanced meals throughout the day can help you meet your nutritional needs. It's very important. Don't skip meals because your body is going to cling on to fat if you skip meals. Mistake number four, expecting results overnight. No. Healthy lasting change takes time. Try not to compare your progress to someone else's journey. We are all different and our journeys are going to be different. Mistake number five, not listening to your body. Now listen to your body. Your body gives you important signals. Eating slow, stop when you're comfortably full. Don't keep on eating and pay attention to how different foods make you feel. You may feel funny after certain foods, and then you know what to do. Mistake number six, thinking medication does all the work. No. GLP-1 and GIP therapies are tools. It's not magic solutions. Healthy eating, movement, good sleep, and stress management all remain important. Remember that. One thing I've learned through my own health journey and starting over is that success doesn't come from being perfect. No, it does not. And it doesn't matter if you make some mistakes. It comes from making small, consistent choices every day. Progress is built on one healthy decision at a time. You don't need to be perfect. So if you've made some of these mistakes, don't be discouraged. Don't be. Every day is a new day and it's a new opportunity to learn and adjust and keep moving forward. It is very important to just keep moving forward. Relax, take deep breaths, start over and learn something new and keep moving forward. It's very important. Every small step, every small little thing you adjust is going to change your relationship with food and your body. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Share it with someone who may need it. It is very important or who may benefit from it. Don't forget to download your free PDF introduction. It's the introduction to GLP-1 and GIP therapies. The link is in the description of this video. And don't forget, you need to look after your body. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.